Hello, boys and girls. In this lesson, we are going to be discussing the place value of numbers up to 500. Alright, so the place values we've talked about so far are units, tens, and hundreds. So far, we've learned these first three place values. So let's take the number 263. We can see there are three place values in that number. 1, 2, 3. 263. Those place values are the hundreds place, the tens place, and the units. So there are 2 hundreds, 6 tens, and 3 units in the number 263. In this lesson today, we are going to be breaking apart a number just like this. So let's start practice. I will give you a 3-digit number. You write down how many of each place value there are, just like we did in the previous slide. If you don't already have a paper and a writing utensil, go ahead and get one now. Alright, let's get started. Your first number is 410. Go ahead and write down on your paper how many hundreds are in that number, how many tens, and how many ones. Alright, let's check your answer. There are 4 hundreds, there's 1 10, and there are 0 ones in the number 410. If you got that right, great work. Let's try another number, 389. Go ahead and do the same thing. How many of each place value are there in that number? Alright, let's check your answer. There are 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 9 ones in the number 389. Awesome work, boys and girls. We are going to try 3 more. Your next number is the number 37. How many of each place value are there in that number? Alright, that one was a little bit tricky. Let's see if you got it right. There are 0 hundreds, 3 tens, and 7 ones in the number 37. Okay, so this is not a 3-digit number. This is only a 2-digit number, which means there's only 2 place values in the number. There are no hundreds in the number 37. Alright, let's try the next one. 274. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones are in that number? Okay, let's check your answers. There are 2 hundreds, 7 tens, and 4 ones in the number 274. If you got that right, great job. Last one, the number is 500. How many of each place value is in the number 500? Okay, let's check your answer. There are 5 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones in the number 500. Awesome, boys and girls. Great work today. You will continue to learn about place values and why they are so important in math as you continue on in 3rd grade. Great work today, boys and girls. See you next time.